Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu states, one night I performed prayer in the lead of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam started the chapter The Cow. I thought he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perhaps perform the bowing after reciting 100 verses. But he sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept reciting. I thought he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perhaps perform the bowing after completing the chapter. But he sallallahu alaihi wasallam continued reciting and then started chapter The Woman and chapter Imran's progeny thereafter and kept reciting slowly and thoughtfully. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would recite a verse carrying glorification, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would glorify Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would recite a verse carrying a request, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would beseech Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would recite a verse carrying the command of seeking refuge, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would seek refuge in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then bowed down and kept pronouncing Subhana Rabbi al-Azim, and even his bowing got equal to the standing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said Sami Allahu liman hamida, and stood upright and observed Qawma equal to the bowing in length, and then prostrated himself and kept pronouncing Subhana Rabbi al-A'la, and his prostration was equal to the Qawma in length. Jarir's narration says that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said Sami Allahu liman hamida Rabbana lakal hamd. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1811.